Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Infiniti QX60. First, for your safety, please make sure your vehicle is completely stopped before you begin. Next, grab your phone and enable its Bluetooth feature, making it discoverable to other devices. Then, inside your vehicle, find and press the Settings button on your control panel to start the process. Once in the Settings menu, touch Bluetooth on your vehicle's display screen. From there, select Connect Device and then Add New to initiate the pairing process. Your vehicle will then search for your phone. A 4-digit PIN will appear on both screens. Confirm these numbers match, then accept the connection on your phone to complete the pairing. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy several hands-free features. Make and receive calls, and even listen to text messages, all without taking your hands off the wheel. You can also wirelessly stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly through your vehicle's sound system. Utilize voice commands for even greater convenience and a safer driving experience. If you encounter any connection difficulties, try restarting both your phone and the vehicle's Bluetooth system, or simply delete and repair the device. For charging or an alternative audio connection, locate the USB port, typically in the center console. Plugging in your phone via USB can also provide a more stable connection and sometimes even better audio quality for your music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.